Halloween has just passed. We hope that you had a happy and safe night, evening, and all that spooky stuff. So yeah, we didn't get any trick-or-treaters, but
no, we didn't know.
This one was just staring out the window, just in case.
Not all night.
No.
We were staring at people across the road with costumes on.
Yeah.
What did people think I was going to start staring out the window?
There wasn't that many.
Sorry.
But anyway, we are Scarborough Couple. I'm Sean.
And I'm Jojo.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. I'm not Jojo.
You are.
I'm sure I'm Jojo.
And it's time for our November Pop in a Box mystery box. But the strange thing is about this one is they've only, like normally we get 2, they've only sent us 1.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So apparently the second one is coming from America. No idea when that's going to be getting here. So this is going to be a part 1, which is why in the video name it says part 1. So when that arrives, we're going to do that one. But for now, there's half of our mystery box. Cue titles. So here we go. It's probably going to be a short video, who knows, although that was a ramble at the start. So just one pop to unbox, and I'm going to be doing the honours, seeing as you always unbox the first one. And I wanted to do this one, and as there's only one, you can do
I'll do the next one.
the one from America, whatever that is.
Mm-hmm.
So, to open the box, we have the cutter.
Oh, cutter!
We've also moved where we film as well. Still same room, but just different, slightly, I guess, better setup. We're closer to the camera. You can actually see things. It's fine. Also,
You don't see our heads.
no. Last video was a disaster. Oof. Don't know what happened there. But anyway, let's open this and we'll
The
see.
box is a bit...
Yeah, it is. It's rattly and it's... I'm hoping it's not
The ones
damaged.
from England always are a bit...
Okay,
not
so-
packed the best.
Right. You don't look.
No.
And I won't look.
Eyes are shut.
Eyes are shut. Okay, let's...
Must be a common from England.
Might be. Who knows? Oh, it does have bubble wrap. And again, I always feel like it's in a protector, but it's not in a protector. I'm not looking. There we go.
What is it?
That. Okay.
I'm not looking.
I'm not looking.
What's in the box?
What is in the box? To try and find which way. I think that's the bottom. This is definitely the front.
Mm-hmm.
So, okay, 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Oh!
Deadpool as Bob Ross.
Deadpool as Bob Ross.
That's an interesting one.
I mean, it was on my want list list.
Was it?
Yeah. So that's actually really cool. I don't know.
Who's Bob Ross?
Who's Bob Ross? You know, the guy that does all the pictures, the painting. It's like, I'm just gonna put a
Oh yeah,
bit of paint on there to make it a happy cloud. Look at this excited little tree. Just put there.
That's box condition.
Yeah. Okay, so that's
Interesting.
that.
Oh.
Okay, so any damage? Do you think?
No, it's
Where?
a little bit, perhaps a little bit of corner damage, just there. Let's show the camera. Oh, sorry, I nearly knocked it. I think they can see that.
Yeah, the lighting is terrible.
There you go,
I don't even know.
Deadpool
Is that in
as Bob
focus?
Ross. I don't know.
Yeah. And you know what? For a first, we're going to actually take this out of box just to show the more detail.
Are we?
We are. I didn't tell you about this. But
Out of box?
Out of box. No, we're going to put it back in the box.
Should we do a price on first? Although...
Yeah, maybe. Okay. So we'll do the unboxing bit at the end, and I'll just maybe take a few pictures and just add them to the video. But let's do pricing. You're going to have to do it because I'm filming with my phone.
And my phone's in the bedroom.
We'll be right back. So the pop price guide, which we shouldn't really follow because it's the American prices converted into ours. Different countries, different sales. But the pop price guide has put this at £7. We're just going to have a look to see what they're actually going for on eBay.
Sold items, £10.13. Oh, they're all with the £9.99, so...
Yeah.
They're all with postage as well from America. £10 free
£10 free
postage.
postage. So
£12.50.
yeah. So clearly worth more in the UK
Than
in America, which is awesome.
£9 now.
So really, I guess to buy this normally, we've got essentially half our money. Depending on what the American one is, we'll see.
You want to take it out of the box?
I'll gently take this out of the box just to show you. Do it from the bottom.
Always do it from the bottom.
Always do it from the bottom.
I'm going to do it while you talk.
Yeah. Push! So gently.
Gently. Oh, it's really...
It is going back in box, but you miss so much detail.
Oh, God, hold that.
Yeah, I will hold.
And then they've dragged him out by his neck now.
Oh, gosh. Is he a bobblehead?
He is a bobblehead.
Bobblehead, okay. Wow. Okay. Wow. Is he going to stand by himself?
Wobble, wobble.
There we go.
That's cool.
That is really cool.
Wobble, wobble. Like Brian Mayer's hairstyle. Brian May.
Barbara's. See, now the camera's going to struggle what to focus on, whether it be me or Deadpool, but yeah. Give him a little spin.
Wobble, wobble.
Wobble, wobble. So that is giant bros and pain and whatnot. It's rare that you actually get to see him out of box, but yeah.
Cool.
That is cool.
Boom, boom.
I think some actually look better out of box. There's a lot that we've got that have got so much detail on them. But let's put him back in his boxy prison as Joanne's doing that. We want to say thank you for watching this latest instalment of our mystery boxes. We're going to be doing... I think we said in a couple of videos ago, we're going to be sort of doing either like reviews of some pops, and also we've got a couple flocked ones. So I've never touched a flocked pop before. You've never touched a flocked pop before. So we're going to touch a flocked pop on possibly the next video.
Although it depends when we get part 2.
Yeah.
They've sent us this early because we got our last mystery box early, last month.
Yeah. Normally they come towards the end of the month, and the past 2 have come right at the start. But this is coming half. So anyway, stay tuned to the channel. If you've not subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe.
Sorry.
That's full.
I'll put it back in the box.
Back in the box. Anyway, thanks for watching, and goodbye.
Bye. That was a long opening.
It's fine.
Will you cut it out about that bit out about me looking out the window?
No.
Right. Okay.